Hi guys! Welcome sa aming first ever family vlog. So we went to Orlando with friends last Easter break. So that's 4 days, 3 nights. And we started the day by traveling to the ferry dock at 5:45 a.m. But when we arrived there, sobrang aga pala namin guys. The ferry would leave at 7:30 a.m. At nandyan na kami ng 6 a.m. Kaya eto ako, inaaliw si Ellie para hindi siya mabore, otherwise magiging cranky na siya the whole day. So here is my baby, so cute. At ito naman, nung nakasakay na kami sa ferry, so we paid $10 port fees. And then this is when we arrive at St. Thomas. So we will be flying from there to Orlando since flights are cheaper kung manggagaling sa St. Thomas than straight from Tortola. And here again, ang aking anak. Of course, bored na naman siya. Kaya pinapanood namin siya ng Miss Rachel. At ito naman is from kung saan kami dineplane papunta sa baggage claim in Orlando Airport. Wala actually talaga kaming luggages. We're just waiting for Ellie's stroller. And then we rented an Uber para i-drop kami kung saan kami naka-check-in. So the hotel is inside the Disney Resort itself. At ayan, pinaupo talaga nila ako sa harap para makapag-video ako and makapag-document nung trip namin. Kaya meron akong ipang travel vlog today. And ito yung paliko na kami papuntang hotel. And the hotel's name is Pop Century, as you can see naman from the video. It's one of the value resort hotel ng Disney World. And we checked in there kasi maraming perks. Like, meron kaming direct access dun sa Disney Skyliner, which is direkta na siya sa Epcot. Pupuntahan namin yung Epcot. So, it's a good deal for us. So, kasama din dun yung mga early entrance sa park and everything. So, ito naman is yung lobby ng hotel kung saan pwede kang mag-check-in dyan. But for us, nag-check-in kami through the Disney World app. So, we don't need to go there. And this one naman ay mga memorabilia from the 60s all the way to the 90s. Kasi yun yung theme ng hotel, which is pop. Anything pop. Ito yung papunta na sa hotel namin. As you can see, there are 4-story buildings na iba-iba yung design. And sa napuntahan namin, yan yung aming view actually, si malaking Mickey Mouse. That's Ellie's favorite character so far. And give ko na rin kayo ng short tour sa aming kwarto. So yan yung isa sa mga rooms doon, which houses 2 queen beds for adults. And then ito, lumabas kami sa hotel to get our dinner na in-order namin sa Uber Eats. So, nakakapasok talaga yung Uber Eats doon. And then, nung gabi naman, pumunta kami sa Disney Springs. And to get there, sumakay kami nung Disney Skyliner na sinasabi ko ngang directly nakakonect siya doon sa hotel kung saan kami nagsistay. So, ito yung papunta doon. And then, ito naman, the next morning na to, yung unang park na pupuntahan namin is Magic Kingdom. Ayun yung parang Disneyland sa other branches ng Disney theme parks. So, ito yung entrance, guys. It's actually a busy day kasi Easter break, no? Lahat naka-break. So, and weekend yan, kaya sobrang daming tao. But, naka-lightning lane pass naman kami, so okay lang. Then, ayan, makikita nyo na yung iconic Disney Castle. Ito naman, nakapila kami for photo op. And then, yun, makikita nyo dun sa dulo is merong parang karuwahe doon na may mga lalaking kumakanta. Sobrang galing nung nila, boses. Parang nakikinig ka sa quartet. As in, nakaka-stun talaga siya. Tapos, naka-microphone sila na parang emphasize yung voice. And then, ito, nasa loob kami ng isang theater na ang mga performers ay mga stuffed toys. And then, ito, one of the parades, many parades ng Magic Kingdom. As you can see, nandyan si Woody, nandyan yung nandun sa Coco, si Miguel ba yun? Anyway, so eto meron ding mga performances na ginaganap sa baba ng castle, so I had to take video of it for souvenir. Then, meron din silang train sa loob mismo nung Magic Kingdom para matransport ka from one place to another. We had to try it, of course, and libre lang yan, guys. And then another video of us watching the parade. You can see here si Snow White and of course her dwarves. And then ito naman sa isang restaurant sa loob ng Magic Kingdom wherein you can meet the characters. So character dining experience yung tawag. And the food was good. And then this naman, ito yung fireworks display sa gabi. It starts at 9 p.m. pero dapat nakapwesto ka na siguro an hour early para hindi blocked yung view mo. As you can see, medyo blocked na yung view namin kasi medyo late na rin kaming nakapunta dyan after the dinner. But still, the fireworks is worth it. Then, ayan na, sobrang pagod na ng bata kasi we started walking around at like siguro 9 a.m. Tapos natapos kami 11 p.m. And then the next day, ayan na naman kami paalis ng aming hotel. And ayan, sasakay ulit kami ng Disney Skyliner. Papunta na kami sa Epcot, which is actually yung Disneyland for adults. Why? Kasi sa Epcot, nagsasell sila ng mga alcoholic beverages sa mga adults. And then, ito yung loob nung Skyliner. Malapad siya, guys, kasi as you can see, 4 na kami sa loob plus the stroller na hindi na namin i-dismantle, but still spacious pa rin. And then wala siyang aircon pero very airy sa loob kasi may open no windows. And then yung dinadaanan namin is called Glass Lake, sabi nung parang intercom. Anyway, ayan yung view. And then, ito na yung side entrance ng Epcot. So, hindi kami pumasok sa mismong main entrance kasi nanggaling kami sa Skyliner, hindi dun sa mga bus drop-offs. But, meron pa ring entrance dyan. And then, ito naman, of course, hindi mawawala yung mga rides sa Disneyland wherein nasa boat ka and then parang may mga pa-storytelling depende sa Disney movie na napili mo. And then, sa Epcot, merong mga world showcases wherein may mga different countries. So, we chose China to take our lunch. And then, ito naman is a video of some performers sa isang waiting area habang nag-aantay kami sa turn namin papunta sa isang theater. Ito ay bandang Japan area wherein nakita nyo dyan may mga ancient na mga statue and everything. Yan, medyo parang pa-samurai effect, mga ganon. So, yan yung parang ancient Japan ang peg. And as you can see, may glimpse of Japanese culture sa loob. Like, as you can see yung itsura ng paligid. Malaki yan actually, yung area ng Japan. And then, as you can see here, yan, si Ellie napagod siya kakalakad and mainit. But it's okay. Ito naman, random video lang yan ng mga performers sa labas ng Japan. And then ito, pumasok kami sa Morocco. Morocco naman ito. As you can see, siya, very Middle East ang theme. Tapos ito sa lang to, sa labas. Stroll lang kami dyan. At may mga nabili na rin kami. Tingnan niyo yung hawak ni Dale. Nasaan ako? Ayun pala. Hawak siya nung tito at tita niya. Ayun sila naka-beige. May dalang stroller. Anyway, etong part na to, Canada daw ito. Pero as you can see guys, parang papasa na rin siya as parang Netherlands, no? Pwede niyo bang sabihin sa akin, anong part ng Canada yung may ganito? Kasi ang naiisip ko sa Canada is like city lang. Pero I know Canada is a big country na may mga countryside din ganito. Pero saan kaya? I'm not sure kasi I've never been. And ito naman, nung nanonood kami sa performance ng character ng Encanto, makikita niyo dyan si Mirabel from afar. Ayan, nagsasayaw-sayaw siya with children, kaso kami sa gilid lang. Then, this is Pluto. Again, nasa parade na naman kami. Nanonood kami ng parade na may mga Disney characters. Ito, mga Mickey Mouse and Friends, Chip and Dale, si Goofy. Yan, si Mickey Mouse, si Minnie Mouse. So, ayan, isang mahabang parade yan, guys. Tapos nakalinya lang kami. Tapos, pwedeng videohan sila. Minsan kakamayan ka, ganyan. Minsan kaway-kaway lang. Depende sa trip nila actually. And then, ito, makikita nyo dyan si Rapunzel. Tsaka yung partner niya, si Flynn. So, yan, galing yan sa Tangled naman sila. Then, ito, random video of Ellie nung palabas kami sa hotel. As you can see, nakaleash siya para siyang aso. Para hindi siya mawala. I know there are judgmental eyes, but I want my child's safety, no? So, ito naman, another parade video. Si Alice in Wonderland naman ang makikita nyo dito with some of the talking house stuff. Anyway, that ends our video, guys. I hope you like our first ever travel vlog. So, here's random shots, live photos to from our trip. Ayan pala si Ellie. Takot siya kay Tiger. She just wants to watch characters from afar pero ayaw niyang lalapitan siya. Yan. Fun fact about Ellie. So here she is. She's gonna smile in a while. There you go. My cute little baby. Anyway, guys, I think malapit na matapos yung video. I hope you enjoyed our travel vlog. Till our next travel, maybe about siguro after ng July travel namin. So, mga August ako magka-upload ulit. So, for now, ito muna, picture namin with Mickey Mouse. Ito lang yung mascot na hindi niya iniyakan ever kasi favorite niya ngayon. So, there you go. Bye, guys!